Hello guys, what's going on? Yes, that's right, I got another vacuum cleaner once again, and this is a Hoover Caddy vac with a removable tool rack right here. It has the hose attached to it. It has an allergen filtration filter right in here. Down here it has the height adjustment. This is the cleaning tools where you put the hose into. And something I really like about this vacuum, this is the on and off switch right here. I'm going to demonstrate this in a second. Here's the back of it. Alright, we're going to give this vacuum cleaner a test here. I'm going to show you what this sounds like. This vacuum is a little bit loud, so you might want to turn your volume down. Has a 12 amp motor, brushed edge cleaning. But we're going to give this vacuum cleaner a test now. And again, this right here is the on and off switch, so we're going to turn it on. This is a switch here. So this is what the vacuum sounds like. So here's a quick test of it. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Alright, that's a test of the Hoover Caddy vac. It does smell a little bit because apparently the belt's going bad on this. That's why I tested it so fast. But I'm going to put a new belt on this, and then after that I'm going to do a vacuum test with this on the rug. So just stay tuned for that. And yeah, the brush roll does spin, but it just needs a new belt. Want to show you the hose tool really quick. Just take the hose out like this. And you have your cleaning tools right here. So you just take your hose and you put it in here. We'll see if it has any suction. Has a very little bit of suction. Otherwise, this does work good. Alright. There we go. And this caddy here is removable. This comes off. Had to put a cord on it because it didn't really have a cord at first. The bristles on this are green. That's pretty interesting. But yeah, this vacuum here, the Hoover Caddy vac, it works good. Again, I'm going to put a new belt on this first, and then we're going to test it in my next video. So stay tuned for that. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed today's vacuuming video. Please remember to have a great day. And yeah, once again, I'll be doing a test with this vacuum cleaner on the rug in the living room pretty soon. I just got to put a new belt on this first, and then we'll do a vacuum test on the rug. We'll see how it cleans up. And I got to put a bag in it. Anyways, have a good day. Remember, R is for red, And stay tuned for the next vacuuming video on me testing this Hoover Caddy vac. And I hope you enjoyed this vacuuming video of me reviewing this vacuum. And also, one more thing, by the way, I made a vlog yesterday and I was talking about a vacuum cleaner being on the side of the road next to my school. Well, this is that exact same vacuum right here. Just got this vacuum today, just picked it up from the side of the road. Here it is. I just reviewed it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for the next one. Have a great day.